in our land which they occupy, in our land which they bomb every day and every night, in our land when we see our children of Islam being massacred. This is a war against Islam and Muslims, no doubt about it. The war against terrorism, the war against extremism, the war against fundamentalism is in fact a reality, a war against Islam and Muslims.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I, Mr. Sherbaz Khan, living in Rawalpindi, Pakistan, married in China. My only son, Mr. Nurul Islam Sherbaz, was killed on 13 November 2011 by Karuwal Chinese in Urumqi prison number 1. So I request to all over the world that must be killed to Chinese President Hu Jintao and must be killed to Chinese Prime Minister Wen Jiabao and Communist leader, Central Government of China and Communist leader in the Xinjiang province must be punished by the International Court, must be punished of death, must be arrested by Interpol, these leaders, because they are killer of many thousand Uyghur Muslim students in Xinjiang province, also other province. They killed my son with poison injection. So I request to the world that catch this leader to Mr. Hu Jintao, killer of the Uyghur Muslims, underage student, innocent students, killer of my son must be in the prison. So world help me. I am 62 years old and my wife is 56-year-old, and also danger our life in China, and I and my wife want that go and come back. My passport is in China embassy. They not issue me the visa, and Karuwal China.